Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video. And today I am so excited because Masflex and KitchenPro actually sent me 4 boxes of their product. And what makes it more exciting is 2 out of those 4 boxes is just for the giveaways. Yes, you heard it right. So Delish PH will be celebrating its 4th year anniversary this coming August. And as always, as our way of thanking you guys for all your support, we will be giving out some cookware and kitchenware courtesy of Masflex. And I've got 2 of these boxes, and everything that's inside those boxes is for you guys. And I will create a separate video for that, so you would know how to join and how you get a chance to win one of these products. But for now, I'm just gonna cut off your excitement, but I will be uploading a separate video for the mechanics, so watch out for that. But this time, I will be opening those other 2 boxes. Those are the products that they actually sent me so I can use on all my cooking videos. All right, let's get it on. All right, so I'm going to show you all of the products that they sent me. So these are the products, as I've mentioned, that I'm going to use on all my cooking videos. And the last time that I showed you the products that I got from Masflex, some of you said that I should have take them out of the box so you would see how they actually look like. And that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of all these products. So just in case you're interested, you can get one for yourself. So let's start with this digital kitchen scale. There we go. And this is powered by the battery. It's CR2032 battery. So let's see how it looks like. I actually requested this personally from Masflex. I asked them to send me a weighing scale, and instead of sending me 1, they actually sent me 2 of this. So here's the other one. So let's open this. Oh, okay. So this is, because this actually comes in 2 colors, black and white. So I suspect this one is the black version of this. So let's take it out of the box so you would see how it looks like. Here we go. So it has 2 parts. So yeah, this is the pan, and the other one, so it has this screen right here, and of course the battery is right here at the back. So this one looks cute, very elegant, right? So probably let's try to open the other one, and I just suspect this is the black one. So you will have a comparison between the 2. Yep, this is the black one. And we're just gonna remove it. The plastic, here it is. Here's the black one. And the other one. So I think it's good that I got actually 2 of this, because I think it would be great if you have a different weighing scale for for your meat or for your vegetables or fruits. So I'm still not sure about the price of these products, but I will try to check them out, and I will add the prices on the description of this video. All right, so this is the digital kitchen scale. And the next one that they sent me is this 6-piece stainless steel cookware set. So it says 6-piece stainless steel cookware set, so we expect to see 6 pieces. This is how it looks like. I hope we can take it out of the box. We're gonna get this one. And there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna read some of its features and benefits. So it says it works on all stovetops, so induction, gas, electric, ceramic, etc. Very easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It has a tempered glass lid, heavy gauge quality stainless steel. All right, so we're gonna open them and see how they actually look like. All right, so we're going to open each of this item here that's inside that box. So it says 6-piece, so definitely it has like 6 pieces. That includes the lids. All right, so first I'm just gonna take them out of the plastic, so you will have a clear view of each. So here are the 3 lids. It's different sizes. I think this is a this one is 16 centimeter, this one is 18, and the other is 20. And yes, it doesn't have the handle yet, so you have to install it yourself. So here are the handles with all the screws. And first is this saucepan. And if you can see the back, it actually tells you which stovetop this saucepan actually works. So it says here it works with induction, halogen, electric, gas, and vitro-ceramic stovetops. And yeah, this lid right here goes with the saucepan. All right, so the next one is this 18 centimeter casserole. And it also has its own glass lid. And finally, you have this 20 centimeter casserole. So this is the biggest one, and it also has its own lid. So it says 6-piece, but it has like 3 different cookwares that you can use. So you have 3 pieces of cookware in just one box. All right, so this is a good buy. And whatever stovetop you have, this 3 works. All right, so let's go into our next product. And so here's the other product that I got. This is a 3-layer stainless steel steamer. It's quite heavy, so let's take a look. Let's take it out of the box. It's quite big, so it says 3 layers, so let's take it out. So this is the first steamer layer. And here's the other one. And here's the lid. Look at that. And you have to install the handle as well. Here's the handle. So let's try to assemble that. Let's see. So here's the bottom part. All right, so let's try to assemble this steamer and let's see how it looks like. So this is the bottom pot, and then here's the next level. And if you can actually see, this one is smaller than this, so it has to go first. And there's another layer. This one is a bit bigger, goes here, and the top one is this. Let's take it out. There we go. So this one goes here, and of course the top one is the lid. See how it looks like? Very elegant. Steamer, 3-layer steamer from Masflex. So then let's go into our next product. So here's the next products that they actually sent me. This one is called a stainless steel wok. It's kind of heavy. That means this one is so durable. So actually, it's just the same stainless steel wok, but it comes with 3 different sizes. So the smallest one is the 30 centimeter wok, and the other one is the 32 centimeter wok, and of course the other one, which is the biggest and the heaviest, is the 34 centimeter wok. And what I've noticed though, for the 34 centimeter one, the handle, it looks different than the others. This one. But it doesn't matter. They all look very durable. Of course, it's kind of heavy. So this is perfect for stir-fried cooking or hot pot cooking. All right, so our next product is another steamer. And this one is a 2-layer steamer. It's actually just a 2-layer version of the other 3-layer steamer that they actually showed you earlier. So we're still gonna open this. Oh. So it looks definitely the same. Okay, so basically this is just a small version of the first 3-layer steamer that I just showed you. But the other one is 30 centimeter and this one is just 28 centimeter. I'm not gonna take them out of the plastic anymore because basically they look the same. Let's just get on with our next product. And the next product that we have here is another digital kitchen scale. But this time, this one is from KitchenPro, by the way. And KitchenPro is a brand. It's actually a collaboration between Masflex and Chef Jean Gonzalez. It actually says here, by the way, it has free battery included. That's good. Okay. Whoop. So let's see how it looks like. It has a manual. So this is how it looks like. So it has this removable bowl. And the best thing about this is it actually has some measurements here. So it can handle up to 2 liters. Okay, so, and this is the actual scale. It also has this digital LCD, and it has this 3 buttons: on, off, unit, and tare. And of course, at the back, this is where you put the battery. So I think you need to use 3 AAAs. So actually this kitchen scale, it looks very elegant, that if you have this on your kitchen, you feel like a chef. And it says earlier that it has free battery, so I'm gonna check out here in the box. Yeah, here it is. 3 free batteries for this one. And also what I've noticed, let me just show it to you. On the box right here, you can actually see unit conversions and volume conversions on the other side. So definitely when you get this product, you need to keep the box so you would easily see like the measuring equivalents here at the front. And again, this is from KitchenPro. And I check it also in the box, it says it has 5 kilogram capacity. So it's quite heavy duty. And I also have other kitchenware that KitchenPro actually sent me. So I have this, let me show it to you. So I have here 4 different kitchen tongs. And I also have this 2 beautiful balloon whisk. And of course, they sent me this silicone spatulas. And they also sent me this flat and offset tweezer. And of course, this swivel peeler. And also they sent me the pastry piping bag and the decorative tips that I actually used on my previous video, which is the Bavarian donuts. I think that's it for now. And as I've mentioned earlier, I have 2 other boxes for the giveaways, but I'm going to upload a separate video for that, and that already includes the process, how to join, and how you're gonna get a chance to win one of those products. All right, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye.
Masflex Cookware and Kitchenware, for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.